if you've had a root canal, then you're going to want to see this video. I've had one as well on that fucked tooth there. And I just watched this documentary. It's called Root Cause, and it's about this guy who had a root canal and then had other issues manifesting later in life, and realized that it was to do with the fact that he left the dead tooth in his body. And firstly, when it starts out, they suggest that maybe root canals have an issue with causing heart issues. Does that make sense? Maybe. Causes heart issues. First person that comes to my mind is my dad, who's had a heart operation. And I text him and I'm like, hey dad, have you had a root canal? And he's like, yeah, I have. He's had 2. And then the doco goes on, and then they get a bunch of doctors who have said they've assessed all of their patients who had breast cancer, and they found that 97 to 98% of every patient they had breast cancer had a root canal on the exact same side of the body. And then immediately my friend's mum pops into my mind. I text my friend, I'm like, hey man, has your mum had a root canal perchance? And he's like, yeah, she has. I'm like, no shit. What are the fucking odds of that? And I've also had one. And now I'm like, holy fuck, I've got to get this thing pulled out. So if you've had a root canal, or you know somebody's had a root canal, watch the doco, Root Cause. It's just on YouTube. It used to be on Netflix, but they pulled it because apparently it was too controversial. Go figure. So watch it. It's just on YouTube.